So guys, for the first method, if you're using an external keyboard, then you want to unplug it and then plug it back in. See if that works. For the second method, you want to go to search and type in device manager. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to expand keyboards. And now you want to find your keyboard. You want to right click on it and then click on update driver. And then click on search automatically for drivers. Make sure that you have the best drivers for your device installed. Also, if your keyboard comes with a software like my one does, then you want to go to it and then go to your settings. Make sure that your keyboard is fully up to date for your software. For the next method, you want to go to search and type in settings. Click on it. And now once you're on this, on the left hand side, you want to click on accessibility. And now you want to scroll down and then click on keyboard. Make sure that you have sticky keys, filter keys and toggle keys all turned off. For the next method, maybe your keyboard is dirty or is damaged inside. So you want to get a keycap puller. You can get one from like Amazon or eBay, and you want to take out your keyboard keys and you can then clean inside of your keyboard. Once you do that, hopefully that'll work for you. For the last method, you want to go to search and type in device manager. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to find your keyboard, expand it. Now you want to right click on your keyboard and then click on uninstall device. And then click on uninstall again. After you uninstall your keyboard, if it asks you to restart your computer, you want to click on yes. If it doesn't ask you, then just restart your computer anyway afterwards. So after you uninstall your keyboard, restart your computer. When you restart your computer and you come back into Windows, Windows will automatically reinstall your keyboard driver again, and then hopefully that will fix your problem.